Alright, so just to recap, I just took this melted voltage regulator out. Look how melted it is. Anyway, look how they don't make them the same. Look how that one has fins going two different ways. This one's this alternator is about 15 years old. They make them different. Alright, got all my parts switched. Tested this coil thing, whatever you call it. Got all the parts switched. You also put a nail right there to hold the two springs. There's the two springs. There's the two brushes, they're called. I call them contactors. They're called brushes. And they run along this. So they're in there. As soon as I put that in there, pull that pin out from the back, which I put it in from the back. It's a nail. And I'll try it out again.